Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. Today we have something from Patagonia. So sticking with their message, the packaging is all in this like manila folder, but as you can see here, it's recycled paper, so super good for the environment, just like Patagonia's mission statement. I'm actually going to use my trusty shears to open this up. So now it's out of its packaging, and these are the Baggie shorts. As you can see here, Baggie shorts with a 5-inch seam. And these were $65. One thing I really like about Patagonia, so my first experience with them was actually from the military. The gray jackets that we got issued were from Patagonia. But yeah, I've always loved their products, really great. They're functional and they work. These, I believe, are for hiking. And as you can tell in the design, it's very like 90s retro style, like very like graphic shorts, if you will. So here's somebody skiing, and then you have another figure of somebody surfing, and you have a little old school triangle with their logo. Overall, these look super nice, very stretchable. There's pockets, super important, so you can put stuff away. And they're nice. Super excited to use these. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks, guys.